We had a super good start into 2024. Our operating profit, our net income are up, as you were mentioning, and also our shareholder core net income, which is a very good indicator of our earnings power, if you want, is up 16% in the first quarter. What is really good about our results is that our three segments are contributing very well, and this balance is also a very good indicator for the year going forward. So with all my key KPIs in terms of growth, in terms of profitability being ahead of my expectation, I can indeed very well confirm my operating profit outlook. So you are right, there are really good signs into our numbers, but that's still very early. You know, we are in the insurance business, so I think at this point in time, our outlook is the right one at 14.8 billion midpoint, but I'm indeed very confident as we are going to move ahead into the year.
Let me just, on Pimco, we did see those inflows. I know you were going to go there, 32 billion. That's positive, clearly, given the outflow story of the past. Are you seeing inflows in the current quarter as well? Do you expect that momentum in Pimco to be sustained?
So Pimco had a very nice first quarter. Obviously, 32 billion of net inflows, really exceptionally high performance fees as well. Operating profit up 10% for the quarter, which is extremely nice. Clearly, this is a volatile environment in terms of yields, but there is a lot of space for fixed income active asset managers. Pimco is one of the best in the world, very clearly, and we continue to see very good momentum in terms of net inflows at Pimco in April and mid-May as we speak.
Okay, I want to talk a bit about the US market. You have recently sold some US insurance businesses. Where is Allianz on this journey? Is there more to come on that front?
So, first of all, you know, in the US, Allianz is a very big player in the US. We are committed to the US market. You can see that through Pimco, through Allianz Life, that is a very big player on the life side. And when it comes to our large corporate and specialty play, we are also well positioned and we are very committed to the US market. So we have decided to do this divestment on the mid-core business in the US, where we were quite small, and that was more to ensure that we can focus and deliver where we are really good at on the large corporate and specialty business when it comes to P&C. I think what you should read in this small M&A operation that is really small when you look at the size of the Allianz Group is much more the fact that we are extremely diligent at managing our overall portfolio and looking at what makes sense in terms of capital deployment. So I think that's definitely the logic of this divestment as well.